Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 29th of March, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let's see how I did today. Just quick recap, guys. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. If you would like to know how I trade and provide at the same time live intraday analysis through the system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move on to the three major currency pair. As always, I do analysis, and let me share with you the 4-hour chart. Today, as you can see, we haven't seen any volatility in the on the Euro USD. Right now, the price is developing is a double bottom. So tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to respect and give us the confirmation about the double bottom. Then probably going to be taking a pullback long. If the price going to break the previous low, then possibility of a short trade. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We'll let you know tomorrow about the Euro USD. Let me share with you today's analysis. As you can see here, I did analysis at the market open last night, and price nicely broke on this symmetric triangle pattern. And after the breakout, as you can see, we had nice, beautiful pullback short trade. As you can see here, price as soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what we explained to traders. It's time to bank some profit. And we'll see tomorrow. But we managed to bank a beautiful pips, especially on pound dollar. All right, let's move on to the pound dollar and cable. If I show you the 4-hour, if you look at this morning, we had as soon as the price respect, first of all, at the market open, we had a short trade here. And as soon as the price respect this support level, then we had a beautiful pullback long. And at the New York session, as soon as the price respect this resistance, this level, then we had a beautiful pullback short trades. So we managed to bank both, long and short trades. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader, and let me share with you the intraday analysis of the pound dollar. If you look at the market open, we had a beautiful short trade. As you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful. Afterwards, we had a beautiful on the pullback short trade. And then at the London open, as you can see here, just before London open, I did the analysis, price developed a bull flag pattern. As you can see, price nicely broken. After the breakout, we have taken all these pullback long trade here when the price was moving up. You can see here all these pullback until the price hit to the resistance level. So we had a beautiful long trade in the morning, and afterwards at the New York session, you can see here we explained that the price developed another pattern, so we might going to expect another pullback. As soon as the price develop another pullback, we have mentioned another long trade here. But as soon as the price respected this blue fib channel, at that time we explained to traders the price has developed. You can see in the analysis, price developed high and low, and the price respected this level. And when we look at in 4-hour, the price was at this level. That time we explained to trader, look, we have some bullish rejection, so more likely the price is going to break. And then we did instantly another analysis. You can see after a few minutes, this one analysis 1302, this one is 1340. As I said to you guys, we constantly monitoring the price movement. As soon as another pattern develop, and that's what I explained to trader, if the price is going to break the previous low or previous high, then we should be taking a trade here. As you can see, the price broken at the bottom, you can see the momentum develop bearish. At that time, we explained to trader every pullback, as long as the momentum is bearish, we should be keep taking it. So you can see here one breakout, another pullback, another pullback. So you can see here we have another few pullbacks. As soon as the price hit to the support level, at that time you can see here and price right now at this level. And then we explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a both long and short as an intraday trader. Bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. And let me share with you the dollar CAD. So tomorrow in pound dollar, you can see here price previously respected many times. If the price is going to break this level, then tomorrow we're going to be taking a pullback short, otherwise pullback long. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We analyze market here. So let's see, momentum is bearish. If we see any pullback, then we're going to be taking a pullback. Or if the price break and give us a retest, give us the confirmation that the price don't want to go down, then we're going to be keep taking a pullback. So we'll let you know tomorrow about pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had another beautiful trades in dollar CAD too. You can see here price basically beautiful, both long when the price reverse here and short trade, both short, long and short. Let me show you the intraday analysis of dollar CAD. If you look at the market open, I did this analysis because the price was at the this level. You can see here, explain to traders. So am I going to reverse, as you can see, and that's what I decided, guys. If the price gonna break this resistance, then we should be taking a long trade and we should be taking a pullback. You can see broken and pullback. Beautiful trade here when the price in 4 hour. So afterwards, and in the London morning session, I did another analysis. You can see here 642. First priority would be pullback, otherwise short trade here. So we had it another beautiful pullback, but as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, as you can see here, pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high. That time we explained to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss, because there's a possibility price might going to reverse. So we came out at the break even, as you can see, as mentioned here, as soon as the price hit the previous high. So afterwards, as soon as the price reversed, we did another analysis. You can see here as 905 that if the price refused to break, and if you look at the price develop high and low, and if the price is going to break this level, which is previously respected, you can see here, then we're taking a short trade here. So we have another short trade here as soon as the price hit to the this level, volume, this fib channel. That's our first target. Then we announced our traders it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long and short trade on dollar CAD. The best trade I had it today was pound yen and pound dollar and gold, basically breakout. Okay, so right now you can see here in intraday, if you look at here, we have double top is being developed. So tomorrow we are looking if the price is going to break this short, then probably going to be taking a pullback short trade here. If the respect, then long here. So we'll let you know tomorrow about dollar CAD. All right, so let me share with you quickly. We had a beautiful gold we were watching in 4 hour, and that's the beautiful breakout short we had it in gold. You can see here a beautiful triangle pattern, and let me share with you the analysis in dollar CAD, in gold, at the New York session. We can see here I explained to trader look for this breakout. We had a beautiful breakout and price nicely hit to the final target in gold. So we also had a beautiful trade in pound yen. We had a both long and short. I'm just going to share with you guys both. Let me share with you the 4 hour first. We can see here we had a short trade here after this candle, banked some profit, and afterwards we had a long trade. As soon as the price broke on this level, we had a pullback long trade here, and at the New York session we also had a short trade here. So let me share with you all this journey up and down. Beautiful long trade on pound yen. And if you look at here at the market open, I did this analysis. This triangle pattern breakout, beautiful, all pullbacks nicely as soon as the price hit this level. And I did in the New York, the London morning session analysis, the first priority would be the pullback, and if the price is going to break after the breakout, if the price is going to retest, then we're looking long, because we're watching in 4 hour. And that's what I explained. As you can see here, We haven't seen any red candle here. Price broken and retest as mentioned on the analysis. Not just on the analysis, we also communicate through live audio commentary and pullback, break, and another pullback based on the momentum. So we had a beautiful long trade, and afterwards we had it also another very small long pullback. And at the New York session, you can see here another pattern is developed, especially when the price develop high and low, and the safest way to trade, break out the previous low, and then we explain trader to keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we had a beautiful intraday trades on pound dollar, pound yen, and the gold. All right, guys, I hope, as you can see here, one of my traders banked 221 pips, and you can see mainly dollar CAD and pound yen and pound dollar. So that's sort of all these trades are 100% based on the analysis, which we broadcast instantly, and we provide all the live updates through live audio commentaries. I hope, guys, you enjoy all these analysis details. And if you would like to see all that analysis, at the moment I'm just showing you what I've done it, but if you would like to see all these things in real time with the live market, so feel free to join my team. Even if you don't have forex trading experience, I also provide full forex coaching and training through this live market. As I always keep telling, that my objective is to train trader with the live market, where I can see how they executing trade. I can give them feedback instantly on their trade with the live market. Even if you are struggling it, that's the platform where you can develop your trading skill. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you can see, this is all price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you can bank beautiful pips alongside with my professional traders. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.